This is a vintage Singer Featherweight model 221. Serial number is AL704066, which dates it to 1954. This machine has Prism Decals, which you can see noted by the 8 in the center, and then along the edges here. With the Prism Decals, you always got the graduated throat plate, which is a desired item. So it's already on this machine. Basically, it was serviced. Plug it in. You can see the light works, passes the tap testing. Here's 4 layers of denim. Just going to show you how it stitches. This is already stitched once for a photo used in the ad. And you can see it's got equal stitch. The thread on the bottom is actually a little more purplish, but you can't tell too well. Sorry about that. But there you have it.